Hi everyone. Today my recipe Diwali special shakkarpare. For this recipe take 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of boiled milk or raw milk you can use and 5 to 6 crushed cardamom only seeds and 1 cup of ghee. Add ghee, then mix well. Heat the ghee and milk until sugar dissolves. Take all purpose flour 6 cups. Everyone can do this recipe. It is very easy. And we can do this recipe within 30 minutes. Once sugar melted, then add the milk and ghee to flour. Do this with these measurements. It will come perfectly. With less ingredients, we can celebrate this Diwali. Mix with the spoon. Once cool down, then mix with hand. Knead 4 to 5 minutes. Approximately 750 grams of flour is there. Divide into 2-3 parts, then knead the dough. Once mixed well, then roll it. It is little bit hard. Do not add any water or any other milk or ghee. Thus, that milk and ghee is enough to this quantity of maida. Roll with thickness, then cut the edges with knife or pizza cutter or any cutter. Then remove the edges, then cut into square shape or any other shape. It's a state like a biscuit. You can feel the eating biscuit. This much of thickness is enough. Prepare all. Then take a big kadai. Then add all once or twice. On low flame, just lukewarm heat. Put them in oil on low flame only. Fry them. It will take 10 to 12 minutes time. After few seconds or few minutes, turn it. Do not turn immediately. Once fried, bubbles will come less. Then it will turn to golden color. Then we can observe, the state of fried or not. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.